The scary part isn't failing anymore. It's how normal it started to feel. The late nights, the endless scrolling, the same promises whispered to yourself in the dark like some ritual that never leads anywhere. Tomorrow. At some point, the disappointment stopped hurting, and that's dangerous, because once a man gets comfortable breaking his own word, he slowly stops trusting himself entirely. Not in a one dramatic moment, quietly. You see it in small things. The alarm gets ignored without guilt. Messages stay unanswered for days. The gym bag collects dust in the corner of the room. Tabs stay open. Ideas stay unfinished. Life stays paused. And the worst part, from the outside, everything still looks normal. But internally, there's this constant low-pressure frustration, like watching your potential rot in real time. Most people think changing your life starts with motivation. It doesn't. It starts with self-respect. Because right now, the real problem isn't discipline. It's the fact that your mind no longer believes you. Every promise feels temporary. Every restart feels fake. Every plan already sounds abandoned before it even begins. So, if you're serious about changing, start smaller than your ego wants you to. Wake up when you said you would. Clean the room you've been avoiding. Go one day without escaping into your phone every 5 minutes. Finish one difficult thing before distracting yourself. Not because those things magically fix your life, but because every completed promise sends a message back to your brain. Maybe this time we're telling the truth. That's where change actually begins. Not in motivation, not in intensity, not in some perfect new identity. In proof. Small proof, repeated quietly, until one day your actions stop feeling borrowed and start feeling like you again. No noise, only discipline.